So today we'll talk about what the life of a jazz musician is like in Paris. Hi, it's Carola again, and in this video I'm answering a request from a viewer because Maja has been in so many of my videos and people would like to know more about her. So thank you for being in my video again.
Thanks for inviting me. I always have a great time and I'm happy to be here. Paris is actually a really cool city for artists because first of all it's very inspiring. Just walking around inspires you, so if you're in any kind of art, it's really a great place to be. I think any artist will confirm that. Secondly, it's a big city, and for jazz it's very good because there's a really good jazz scene here. There's a lot of jazz clubs. French people really love jazz music as they like everything of high quality, and so it's kind of a thing, you know, if you like jazz, you're cool. So that was really great for me to discover. And also there's people from all over the world. It's a great place to create connections, to be recognized, perhaps even discovered. I've had friends who were discovered, you know, just by playing around, because you never know who's in the audience. There can be people from all over the world and maybe a producer can see you. So it's a good place to show your face and perform. So what I like to do is I attend a lot of jam sessions. Jam sessions are kind of concerts in jazz clubs, but they're very free and anyone can come and perform with the local band. So there is a band, a house band, and they usually open with the first set, and then anyone who wants, they sign on to the list and they get called to stage. There are some sessions that are more specific for the jazz musicians, and some where I go are more specific for jazz vocalists. So I go specifically to vocal jams because they're more friendly towards singers and it's just a really fun way to meet other singers as well. And because I also teach voice singing, I also can meet my potential students and invite them to my workshops, because I also organize workshops. I organize different kind of workshops, but what we did today was kind of a preparation for singers to sing at a vocal jam session. How to create an arrangement, how to pick your key, and basically prepare yourself, prepare your charts, and prepare yourself for the jam session, and learn how to communicate all that you've decided to the band. This is for someone who knows what they want to sing. So they need to know a little bit about jazz. It doesn't have to be too advanced, but at least basic knowledge for jazz music, and have at least one or two standards they want to work on. Having some theory knowledge is beneficial, but not essential. I can work with anything. I have a meetup that is called Singers Workshops in Paris. Very straightforward, and that's where I announce all my workshops, so you can check it out if you want to come. Yeah, it's really fun, and I really love how French people are open for jazz. In my country, in Croatia, it's been a challenge, honestly, being a jazz musician. Most people don't care about jazz and even think you're weird if you do it, and it's not considered like a popular music, that's for sure. Where I find that here you are really respected as a jazz musician. So that was like a dream come true to me. What I love about the Parisian jazz scene is that if you go to a friend's concert, they will by default invite you on stage. And I first thought it was really weird that people would just invite you onto their concert. I came to listen to support them. It's kind of a thing you need to accept because it's a way to respect each other and give each other opportunity to be seen by the owner or anyone else in their audience. So it's very supportive. I really like that. So every time I go to see other friends, I have to be dressed for the stage. Otherwise, it's actually even considered rude to decline to go on stage, which is crazy because in Croatia, I mean, I don't know, not it doesn't always happen. So it was very strange for me.
Thank you for being on my channel. Thank you for talking about your life.
And welcome. Thanks for inviting me.
I'll put all the links that are somehow relevant to this video down in the description below. So
Thank you.
Thank you and see you next time.